Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on the notifications. As you can see here, we've got status bar option, so let's enter, and at the very bottom of the list we've got show battery percentage option, which is now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon, but after turning it on by tapping on the switcher, we can see that we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.